Welcome everyone. In this section, we will learn about the selection sort. So selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is an in-place comparison-based algorithm in which the list is divided into two parts, the sorted part at the left end and the unsorted part at the right end. So initially the sorted part is empty and the unsorted part is the entire list. Okay, the smallest element is selected from the unsorted array and swapped with the leftmost element, and that element becomes a part of the sorted array. This process continues, moving unsorted array boundary by one element to the right. This algorithm is not suitable for large datasets as its average and worst case complexities are of order of n square, where n is the number of items. So how does this works? So look at the example I have given. So this is the example for selection sort. Okay, I have given a range of values in a list. Okay, like 29, 72. You have to know the index also. So first, okay, this entire list is an unsorted array. Okay, this entire list is an this entire list is now an unsorted array. Okay, so now I'm going to say this entire list as unsorted. Okay, they are unsorted. Okay, unsorted array. Okay, I hope you know what is the meaning of unsorted array. Okay, it is not in sorted order. Okay, that is unsorted. The entire list now it says unsorted array. Okay, now I have to swap. Okay, do those changes and I have to make the sorted array in the left hand side. Okay, now check for the first index. Okay, what I have 29. So what do I do? First, before that, we have to know the algorithm we do. So step one, set the minimum to location 0, that is the index 0. So what is here index 0? 29. So set the minimum value min. Okay, set minimum min to location 0. Yes, I have said. Now search the minimum element in the list. What is the minimum element in the list? I have to search, keep on searching. Okay, check whether 29 is less than 72. Okay, I have to check the minimum than 29. So is 29 uh, is 72 is less than 29? No. 98 less than 29? No. 13 less than 29? Yes, true. So I have swapped 13 with 29. So these both are swapped. Okay. Now you can see here I have swapped and here in place of 29 I have replaced with 13, and in the place of 13th value okay, instead of 13th value I have replaced with 29. So this is how I have done. Okay, is this over yet? No. In the first I have found that 13 is the smallest. Now in the second pass I have to know which is smallest than 72, right? I have to check for the second index. So 13 is now sorted. Okay, this is now sorted array. Now I have to, these are the remaining parts are unsorted. Now I have to find the minimum among this. Okay, I have to compare this minimum than this value. I have to take it and place it over the leftmost sorted array. Okay, I have to make it in the sorted array. Now let's check. Is 72 less than 98? Yes, but is 98 less than 72? No. 29 less than 72? True. So I have to swap 29 with 72. So I have changed it. Okay. Instead of 29, 72, 29, and instead of 29, I have kept 72. Remaining all values are I have not changed. Okay. So what I have to do? What did I did? I searched the minimum element in the list, and then what I have to do? Step 3, I have to swap with the value at the location of min, and then I have to increment the min to point to the next element in the array in the list, and I have to repeat it until the list is sorted. So this is how the selection sort works. So now I have replaced this. Okay, 72 and 29 I have replaced. Now I have to check 98. Okay, 72 is greater than 98. No. 87 greater than 98. No. Okay, which is smallest among than smallest than 98? Okay, smallest of all is 36. Okay, so what I have to do? I have to swap 98 with 36. So instead of 98 I have replaced with, okay, I have kept 36, and in place of 98 I have kept, okay, 36 place. Okay, instead of 36 I have given 98 also. Now move on. Okay, I am going to increment the mean position. Now it is 72. Okay, check the value which is okay, smallest value less than 72. Okay, 52 is also less. 66. Okay, first it will check 87. No, 66 yes, but then keep on checking. Okay, 52 even lesser, 51 is lesser, 98 it is greater. So the smallest among here is 51. So I have to swap 72 with 51. Okay, so here in place of 72 I have kept 51, and in place of 72 I have kept 51, I have kept 72. Okay, now you can see the both are swapped. I have to increment the min value. So minimum is now here. Okay, minimum is here. Okay, at the 87. So check for the next value. 66 less than s, which is smallest, next to smallest 52. Like that, it has to keep on swap. Okay, next process you see, I have swapped 87 and 52. Now I am checking. Okay, I have to increment 66. I have to check with 52. Is the smallest value less than 52? Yes, no. So there will be no swap. 66 will remain as such. Okay, there will be no swap. So 66 will remain in the same position. Okay, 66 is the smallest, and so no swapping. Now again, okay, increment the value 87 I have. Okay, in the unsorted array. Okay, these are now unsorted. Okay, these are the unsorted. I have to check 72 and 98 is there, which is smallest is 72 smallest. So okay, 72 smallest, so swap them. Okay, 87 with 72. Now 87 I have. Okay, 87 is the smallest, so no swapping. Now see the sorting is completed, and check the whether they are sorted in ascending order. Yes, 13, 29, 36, 51, 52, 66, 77, 87, and 98. And okay, so the selection sort I have sorted. Okay, this is the simple sorting algorithm. Okay, now we will discuss the algorithm. Okay, in detail. So we'll check the algorithm. Yes, I have written the algorithm here. Okay, selection sort of. Okay, selection sort of a comma n. Okay, a and n are the parameter. A is the list, and n is the value. Okay, n is the number of items. Okay, n is the list. Okay, so for I equal to 0 to n minus 1, what I have given. Okay, this is the this is the analysis part. Okay, order of n square. Okay, this is the analysis part. Okay, we will come back to this later. Now you do this one. Okay, we will come back to this later. We will do this one first. So what I have given here. Okay, for j equal to I plus 1 to n minus 1. Okay, this part you should note down. Okay, what I have did, I have swapped. If a of j is less than a of I minimum, I have to make I minimum equal to j. So I have swapped. Okay, if it is less than means I have swapped. Okay, I have not swapped. Okay, here I have not sorry. Here I have not swapped. Okay, if a of j is less than a of I minimum, I shouldn't swap, right? So I minimum will be equal to j. Okay, now I have swapped using a temporary variable. As you can see here, I have swapped using a temporary variable. So this temporary. Okay, so temporary variable equal to a of a equal to a of I minimum equal to temp. So this is using I have swapped using a temporary variable. I hope you know this. Okay, swapping using temporary variable. This is the thing. Now coming to the analysis part. Okay, t of n equal to n minus 1 into c1 plus n into n minus 1 by 2 into C2 plus n minus 1 into C3. So a n squared plus bn plus c. So I am getting order of n squared. So this is a very basic example I have given for selection sort. Here also I have given very easily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay. So that's it for selection sort. Next we will meet in the next section with the next new and other sorting algorithm. Thank you.